Hi, in this session we will see how to use if function together with the AND function in Excel to check multiple conditions in one formula. Now to understand this, we will have taken this example of policies, and this contains the loss of policy certificate dates. So this file contains the losses of policy certificate dates. In actual conditions, this data might be very huge, and the dates also, policy issuance and policy maturity date may vary, but for our understanding purpose or the tutorial purpose, we have taken a constant start date and the end maturity date. There are three conditions in this example. Now the basic condition is that the policy loss certificate date should be between these two dates, that is the policy issuance date and policy maturity date. It should be between these dates. Okay. Now the second condition then becomes that that is policy loss policy certificate date should not be before the issuance date, and the policy loss date should not be after the maturity date. That is, should be between this or equal to both these dates. Correct. Now we have to work on the formula, and with the if formula, if you use the if formula, then there are two conditions which has to be fulfilled to get that answer, right? So we'll have to use the if formula twice to get our answer. Here we'll use if this is greater, that is C2 is greater than A2, then the answer is correct, the output is correct, or there is an error. It shows there's an error, right? And then the second condition is that this C2 is less, that is smaller than B2, then the answer is correct, or there is an error. You see, this is how we'll have to use two formulas, but this we can combine together with by using the AND function. AND is a logical function which gives an output into as a true or false. So we'll use that formula, and this is greater than, that is C2 is greater than A2. And see what is the output? False. And this is smaller, that is C2 is smaller than B2. The output is true. Now with the help of this logical outputs, we will try to find combine these two formulas, and we'll try to find out the answer in a single formula over here. So here now we type if, and let's use the AND formula, that is AND function and the AND. And the first logic is that C2 is greater than or equal to A2, and C2 is less than or equal to B2. If these two conditions are fulfilled, then what answer we want? That it is correct. And if not, then there's an error into that input. And observe that we got this result over here. So here this date is before the issuance date, so it has showed error. This date is between these two dates, and when this date is between these two dates, it is correct. This date is equal to or less than this date, that is maturity date, that's why it's showing correct. And this is the error date, that is after. So what we can do is we'll say use 1120, which still stays constant. So if I change it here, this will error. Hope this tutorial was helpful in understanding the use of if formula together with AND formula in Excel. If you like this tutorial, please share them with your friends. And if you want me to prepare videos on any specific formulas or any specific conditions, leave it in a comment section. This is all I have for this tutorial. See you next time with some new videos. Thank you.